In this video, I'll show you how to use Klarna at Walmart, a great way to shop now and pay later, all with easy installment options. If you're shopping online at walmart.com or in the Walmart app, start by adding the items you want to your cart and head to checkout. During payment, look for the option that says Pay with Klarna. It's usually right under the other payment methods. Select it. You'll be redirected to the Klarna website or app. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, you can quickly create one. It only takes a minute. Klarna will then ask if you want to pay in 4 interest-free installments, pay over time, or finance your purchase. Choose the plan that works best for you and confirm your purchase. And that's it. You'll get your items from Walmart, and Klarna will send you payment reminders based on the plan you chose. One thing to note: approval is subject to Klarna's credit check, so it may not be available for every purchase or customer. Using Klarna at Walmart gives you more flexibility without paying the full amount up front. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart shopping and payment tips. See you next time.